there's a fight going on between, so it takes about 18 months to a year to get a project built, right? From municipal entitlements through construction, and once you get a final seed in the ground. So the constant desire for new strains and for new products has to be balanced against your budget. There has to be a realistic expectation going in to what is fixed and what are we going to do as a baseline, and how much operational variability is allowed in a system. So that's a balance. So there's a reason to share your objectives early and talk about, because you're going to get equipment. There's opinions on that very subject that are going to come from the engineer, from the architect, from your material suppliers, from your equipment manufacturers, right? If you decide late in the job that you need a different type of extraction, you want to go from ethanol to hydrocarbons late in your design process, that's going to cost a lot of money. You know, those kinds of decisions have to be baked in early. If you want the option to do all three, you know, there are things that can be done in terms of space requirements, you know, equipment requirements. So yeah, flexibility can be achieved if everybody's, you know, rowing on the same side of the boat, so to speak.